The thing about my apprenticeship is it's nice and laid back. I don't feel pressured, and I'm constantly learning new things about my job and what it entails. And
beats school by miles. You get the same qualifications if you went through school. It's the exact same things, but you're earning money as you're learning.
I see it as an opportunity in the future to have more experience than people that have gone to university or done A-levels, whereas I've done a bit of both and gained experience of what I would like to go into in the future.
Apprenticeships help young people. It gives them drive, direction, a skill to base the rest of their career on. And the work that Abbie and Raj are doing at the moment is just basically learning their core skills. A lot of hand skills at the moment. Really pleased with both of them. They're coming on leaps and bounds, very confident, and they listen and they work hard, got good work ethic, which is always a positive.
Most of my friends I find it quite interesting because obviously most women don't go into engineering, well, mechanical engineering for a start at all. So doing something to show that women can do it, they were quite impressed.
what would you tell a younger you about a career in engineering?
I think don't be afraid to try things, because as I say, it's quite a varied field really, and you don't have to stick with one field of engineering as such, especially with the electrical side.
How did you get into engineering?
I got into engineering because I followed in my dad's footsteps. He was an engineer, so I decided that was the way I was going to go.
So yeah, what would you tell a younger you about an engineering career?
To work hard at the beginning, listen more, and push myself even further.